The objective of kicking for 25 yards is for swimmers to complete a full lap of freestyle kick on a board with control, efficiency, and stamina. By consistently emphasizing proper technique, alignment, and safe use of equipment, you'll prepare them for success in more advanced freestyle skills. When teaching this skill, first address grip and positioning. Instruct swimmers to reach both arms fully across the board and curl their fingers over the front edge for control. If the board is too long for smaller swimmers, have them turn it sideways for a better fit. For the starting position, swimmers should place both feet against the wall with one hand holding the wall for stability and the other extended on the board. The board must remain flat on the surface of the water. As the instructor, position yourself about 12 yards down the lane and give a clear cue such as, when I say go, push off the wall and begin your freestyle kicks towards me. As they move forward, gradually increase the distance by stepping back until they can complete the full 25 yards. Watch for body alignment and efficiency. Shoulders, head, and core should stay steady while the kicks remain strong and consistent. Plan to practice this skill 2 to 3 times per session to reinforce proper technique and build endurance.